Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and let me share with you how to add the photo to your contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It does not really matter, and then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit icon and tap on this circle. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on the circle or the camera icon, and as you can see here we've got actually 4 different options. So the emojis, your own gallery, so you can choose something from the previously taken photos, the camera, and your device will open the camera app after tapping on this option, so you will be able to take a photo of the person who's right in front of you, or you can tap on that kind of avatars and use them. That's also quite cool. So let me choose something from the gallery. Let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And here in this tab we can change the position of this highlighted circle, we can change the size of it, we can also zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we'll see after saving the whole contact, because this area is simply responsible for it. So after positioning it, just tap on done, and here we've got our photo applied, so just tap on save. And then here we've got our contact. Of course, you will be able to see the photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.